which is the background of your project, in a card called sprite1 by default. You can delete the card sprite by clicking on the trash can with the X on the top right. You do not have to delete the card if you want to use it as a sprite in your project. To choose a background, click on the tab label, choose a backdrop on the right hand side. Click on it to open the backdrop library. Here you can select any backdrop library. Here you can select any background for the from the available option. To add a character, you will need to select a sprite character from the sprite library that is located at the bottom right hand. Click on it to see the collection of sprite you can choose from. Bounce through the available sprite from the available sprite and click on the sprite you like to add to your project. Add it to your project. Once you have chosen a backdrop in a sprite, they will appear on the stage area. The backdrop will be displayed as the background, and the sprite will appear as a small image. You can move and animate. Customize, and position the sprite. You can customize the sprite by clicking on it, then using the sprite editor from here on. You can make it small, stuff like that. Appearance by clicking on it and then using the sprite editor that appears from there. You can modify the sprite. You can modify the sprite costume size. You can modify the sprite content size and other attributes.